Mosquitoes are so dangerous is partly because of their size. We usually don't know when mosquitoes are biting us. And even if we do, it's often too late. Like vampires, mosquitoes are also known for bloodsucking, but they do not suck blood for nutrition.
Like many other insects,
mosquitoes survive on sugar from nectar. So, why do they still suck animal blood? Female mosquitoes usually need special proteins and lipids found only in animal blood to lay eggs. An average mosquito weighs only 2.5 milligrams, but it needs to suck 1 milligram of blood to produce 40 eggs. And during their 2 to 6 week lifespan, they can lay around 300 eggs. That's why only female mosquitoes bite and suck blood. What if mosquitoes were as big as humans? Suppose a female mosquito weighs 79 kilograms and needs to suck nearly 3 times its body weight in blood over its lifetime. It would need 237 kilograms of blood to lay eggs. In other words, it would have to drain every drop of blood from a human body. As a result, female mosquitoes would struggle to get enough blood to lay eggs. Mosquito populations could rapidly decline, and predators might start eating mosquito eggs and larvae, further suppressing mosquito population growth. Mosquitoes have exoskeletons, meaning they must molt during growth. This transition period is very vulnerable, which could make them easier to eliminate. Human-sized mosquitoes would be a big problem. They would likely attack cattle, horses, and large wild mammals, causing chaos in livestock and natural environments. However, could mosquitoes live to weigh 79 kilograms under current atmospheric conditions? Probably not. Arthropods breathe through spiracles. These connect to a network of tracheae. Oxygen in the air is delivered throughout their bodies via these tubes. Oxygen availability limits their growth. Long ago, arthropods grew very large, but now oxygen makes up only 21% of the atmosphere. This means oxygen supply is insufficient for human-sized mosquitoes. We are unlikely to see human-sized mosquitoes anytime soon, but we might see an increase in giant mosquitoes on Earth. These mosquitoes are 20 times larger than their relatives. Native to North America, they are huge and can bite through clothes. Since mosquitoes are cold-blooded, they thrive at temperatures above 26 degrees Celsius. With global warming, they are more likely to expand their range and numbers. Another possibility is that larger mosquitoes could also promote growth of their predators. Imagine giant spiders roaming the earth. This episode ends here. What are your thoughts? Thank you for watching.
see you next time.